Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, power sunroof, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Come take a test drive today.